Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here. Today I am just doing a quick video and showing you the most up-to-date sort of version of my nature journal with my featured native plant series. And I'm just going to do a little flip through so that you can see all of these paintings. I've sort of just done some short form video on shorts and reels flipping through here. So I just want to show you more of what I have most recently created. And if you're interested in seeing that and getting inspired, then keep on watching.
All right, so here is my quick flip through of my nature journal with my featured native plants collection. This is rattlesnake plantain, and then I have wild ginger. These are all done in watercolor and waterproof ink. There's the white fawn lily, the pink coastal fawn lily, the glacier lily, trillium, calypso orchid or fairy slipper orchid. This is a Phyllon uniflorum. It has a horrible common name called naked broom rape, and that's because it has no leaves and it's parasitic on the plant called broom. But really, did they have to name it that? They could have thought of something else. Here's camas and the tiger lily, the black lily or northern rice root, lupin, Pacific bleeding heart, and I have just started on the chocolate lily drawing here, or checkered lily, and this one will be a little challenging with the patterning of the petals, but I am excited to see how it turns out. And that's all I have so far in my nature journal for my featured native plants collection.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, I think you are also going to really enjoy this video that shows you the whole tour of the country diary that I created in 2024.